and welcome to Poptography. For today's What's in a Box, I just got a package. Let's see what's in the box.
What's in the box?
Welcome back. So today, as I said, we're doing an unboxing and review to see what's in this box. Now, I've been watching recent episodes. I've been going through my collection, one, and taking them out of their boxes and actually get them displayed. And two, I've been trying to finish up some of the waves and some of the collections that I've wanted that kind of escaped me, or I just, at one time or another didn't have the money, or I couldn't find that particular pop, or the pop went for a little bit of a higher price mark that I was ready to pay for at the time. But one of the collections I've been trying to round out and finishing up is my Star Wars Rebels collection. And at the moment, I have this pop that I just purchased. I have the Sabine without the helmet with her blue hair that I need to still get, and the Grand Admiral Thrawn. And that's a price tag issue at this point, but I will get him into the collection. So if you haven't seen my collection on my display, you might not know exactly what is missing, but you're going to see one of them right now. So without further ado, let's see what's in the box. Oh, there it is. All right. So what I got is Star Wars Rebels, Ahsoka, number 130. Which again is, I think this is the Hot Topic exclusive, so very excited to finally get my hands on this one. I think I have finally all of the Ahsoka Funko Pops, so this is really cool to finally add this one to my collection. Very, very excited for this. Interesting, a little bit of box damage here, but again, I'm taking them out of the box and putting them on my displays, and that's what we're going to do with this bad boy. So not too concerned about that little ding, even though it came in a cover. Even this is a little dinged up, but again, I don't care. Let's get this bad boy open and take a closer look at her. All right, so let's take a look at this Ahsoka number 130. Again, it was, I believe, a exclusive for Hot Topic. So very excited to have gotten this one. And this is just a great looking pop. Really surprised I hadn't gotten this one in the collection. And as you're going through, you realize, like, I got this one, I got this, what is Ahsoka one was I missing? And this was it. As well as in the Star Wars Rebels line, I was trying to finish that up. I'd recently gotten Zeb. And is trying to, again, complete that collection. So now I just need to get the Sabine unmasked, got this bad boy, and then the Thrawn, and I would have finished the entire wave of Star Wars Rebels, which will be pretty nice to finally put a cap on that. So, but this looks fire. She's got a great outfit that we saw in Rebels, both of her sabers, the white blades and everything. That just looks so good. Just look at that. All that beautiful detail. Love the headdress and her little I don't know what they call it, the tentacles or whatnot. But gosh, she looks so cool. Really great looking pop. Really, really nice looking pop. So glad to finally have this one. So glad to, get that both for the Ahsoka and the Rebels collection. But man, really great detail. I mean, really phenomenal detail here on her little skirt and the things hanging off of her belt and everything. Awesome detail on that. Really nice. But I'm going to put her on the turntable so that you can get a better look at this Ahsoka number 130, which was the Hot Topic exclusive. So, do you have this Funko Pop already in your collection? Have you, been struggling or starting to try to finish up some of those collections of the waves that you have? Was it whether it's all Ahsoka Pops that you collect, the Star Wars Rebels line, or is there another wave or collection that you're trying to finish up for your own personal collection? Curious, leave that in the comments. I'd like to hear from you. And if you enjoyed today's content today, please hit the like, definitely hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of funkopopphotography. Until then, may the force be with you.